These are lemon lilies. They are one of my favorite lilies. I'm not always a fan of the orange or the ditch lilies, although a few of them are nice. But like daylilies, they just bloom for one day. And this here is a bud that's coming on, getting ready to bloom. These here will be in a few days. They take longer to develop. And this one here is one that already has bloomed. And here is one that has bloomed and it's making seeds. I've never tried planting the seeds, and usually when the stalk is done blooming, it doesn't have any more blooms on like this one here that haven't bloomed yet. When it gets to that point, I usually cut it off down near the plant, so I don't know if the seeds are viable or not. I've never tried it. They are pretty easy though. If you need to increase your plants, to just dig them up. Right here, you can see here is one crown right down in there. Well, there's one, and there's one. I planted these here, I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago as just one crown. Probably a bare root one that I bought, and I don't even know where I bought it now. But lemon lilies have always been one of my favorite lilies, and it's hard to say why. They'll grow just about anywhere actually. The more sun they have, the better. Although I have seen lilies that grow in low light conditions, but they don't increase. You can see how these have increased down there from just one to all these. And I fertilize my lilies with the rest of my plants. However, the way I fertilize most often is if I sprinkle it, I will sprinkle it in the whole flower bed, not concentrating on any specific plant. Or the same thing if I use the hose fertilizer from Miracle-Gro. I don't concentrate it on any certain plant. But another really good way to fertilize your plants is good rich soil. I make sure that in all of my soil there's a lot of natural matter, like wood chips is the most common one I use. And if I have all the plants I pull up, I mix those with wood chips and then put those on the soil. Organic material like leaves or grass or wood chips are the best thing for your soil, and I try to always have a mulch of that on my soil, like right here. And you can see down underneath of there, it's really good soil, and it keeps it moist a lot longer. So that's the best fertilizer. Look how good they look with these red Stella. I guess they're called Ruby Stella daylilies. And they're both pointing toward the sun. The lemon lily, also known as the yellow daylily or Custer lily, is a species of daylily. It is a perennial flower native to China, Europe, and Slovenia. It is a popular choice for gardens because of its easy care requirements and long bloom seasons. The lemon lily has trumpet-shaped lemon yellow flowers that bloom early in the summer. The flowers are fragrant and have a scent similar to lily of the valley. The lemon lily grows 2 to 3 feet tall and 2 feet wide, is hardy in zones 3 to 9. Lemon lilies are easy to care for and relatively pest-free and disease-resistant. They prefer full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil, and they should be regularly watered, especially during the growing season, but allowed to dry out slightly between waterings. In the fall, the foliage of the lemon lily will die back. The roots of the daylily can be left in the ground over winter. The best time to plant lemon lilies is in the early fall or early spring. Choose a location that gets full sun to partial shade. They tolerate a wide range of sun exposure. Full sun will encourage more blooms. Plant the bulbs with the crown where the roots meet the foliage no more than 1 inch below the soil surface. Space them to 18 to 24 inches apart to allow for future growth. Lemon lilies prefer full, well-drained soil, but they can adapt to most types of soil as long as it's not constantly wet. Amending the soil with compost can help improve drainage and provide nutrients. Well, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.